The human digestive system is a complex series of organs and processes that work together to break down and absorb nutrients from the food we eat. Here is an overview of the key components and functions of the human digestive system. Mouth. Function. Digestion begins in the mouth, where food is broken down into smaller particles by chewing and mixed with saliva. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase that start the breakdown of carbohydrates. Pharynx and esophagus. Function. After chewing, the food is swallowed, passing through the pharynx and into the esophagus. Peristalsis. Muscular contractions called peristalsis move the food down the esophagus toward the stomach. Stomach. Function. The stomach is a muscular organ that further breaks down food through mechanical churning and chemical digestion. Gastric juices. Stomach acid and digestive enzymes like pepsin help break down proteins. Small intestine. Function. Most digestion and nutrient absorption occur in the small intestine. Enzymatic breakdown. Pancreatic enzymes and bile from the liver aid in the breakdown of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Absorption. Nutrients are absorbed through the intestinal walls into the bloodstream. Large intestine, colon. Function. Water and electrolytes are absorbed from the remaining undigested food, forming feces. Beneficial bacteria. The colon is home to beneficial bacteria that aid in the fermentation of undigested carbohydrates and the synthesis of certain vitamins. Rectum and anus. Function. Feces are stored in the rectum and expelled through the anus during the process of defecation. Accessory organs. Liver produces bile, which emulsifies fats for better digestion. Gallbladder stores and releases bile into the small intestine. Pancreas produces digestive enzymes and releases them into the small intestine. Hormones and nervous control. Hormones such as gastrin, secretin, and cholecystokinin regulate digestive processes. Nervous control, both intrinsic and extrinsic, coordinates muscular contractions and enzyme release. Digestive disorders. Various conditions can affect the digestive system, including gastritis, ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), and inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Understanding the human digestive system is crucial for maintaining proper nutrition and overall health. A well-functioning digestive system ensures the absorption of essential nutrients needed for energy, growth, and maintenance of the body's functions. Thank you for watching complete video. If this video was helpful for you, please like, share, and comment on the video. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the new video notification.